Well, you just heard Ted talking about it there, and that gusty wind making a busy morning for state police. They actually responded to several crashes all along I-11, particularly near Railroad Pass.
Weather reporter Mary Jane Bellet is alive near I-15 and DI with a warning to drivers of big rigs, especially to be on high alert in conditions like these. Mary Jane.
Ooh, let me tell you guys, David, Kirsten, and Ted, if you've been out on our valley roads recently, especially for today, you might have seen blowing dust, debris, plastic bags, especially the gusty winds blowing against your vehicle. Makes it very difficult for people outside and even drivers. Now imagine what that feels like for truckers. The roads are clear now, but early this morning, 3 separate semi-tractors rolled over due to strong winds between 3 to 4 a.m. on I-11 and Railroad Pass. Starry Hawkins knows how scary situations like this can be. He owns Elite Staging, LLC, a car hauling company, and as a truck driver himself, he always checks the weather before heading out. While ice and rain can pose dangerous road conditions, so can gusty winds, making it much easier to topple a semi-tractor trailer.
Twice, literally got the butterflies. One was going to Hot August Night, going to Reno. A couple of years ago, I wanted to pull over, and one of the buddies says, "No, you're going to sandblast these cars that are $500,000. Don't pull over. Just keep going."
Hawkins says how much a truckload weighs also makes a difference.
When it's lighter, it's more dangerous. The truck has its load capacity depending upon how it's loaded. That's something that comes in a huge play. That if it's top loaded heavy, it's obvious when that wind hits it, it's going over.
We all share the road. If you see a big rig near you, Hawkins says drivers can stay safe by maintaining a safe distance and letting them pass.
Please stay out the way, because if a gust of wind hits a container truck, even a car hauler, we're going to swerve. And we're trying to compensate for the swerve by not just being dramatic, but it's an act of God. You can't control, you don't know if it went from 20 to 60 mile per hour wind just in a second.
So those are all really good tips, and Starry Hawkins also mentions to just really slow down, of course, and be aware of your surroundings. Reporting live here from Desert Inn in the I-15, I'm Mary Jane Bellet, 8 News Now.
Thank you, Mary Jane. Nevada State Police say one driver was okay. The other 2 semi-drivers had to be transported to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries.